Question 11. Caitlin cooked cupcakes. She iced some, but ran out of icing. There were 4 cupcakes left without icing. There were 2 more with icing than without. How many cupcakes had icing? This question is about cupcakes. We are comparing a quantity that are iced with a quantity that are not iced. The first thing I need to do is find out which one is larger. I'm going to look for the comparing words of either more or fewer. And here's one here. I'm going to read this sentence to find out which quantity is the larger one. There were 2 more with icing than without. So those with icing I'm going to do in blue on the top. And just so as I don't get confused, I'm going to colour in the blue icing there, which means the smaller quantity will be those without icing or with no icing. And I will do them in orange, like my patty pan. The number of cupcakes without will go here, along with the difference that I will do in black. Caitlin cooked cupcakes. She iced some, but ran out of icing. So that word some often tells me this might be my unknown. So I think that the iced are going to be my unknown. There were 4 cupcakes left without icing. So my known is this 4, and they were the ones that aren't iced, and there's 4 of them. So I'll get 4 cubes and pop them there. There were 2 more with icing than without. So the difference is going to be here, and it's going to be 2 more for this one and 2 fewer for this one. How many cupcakes had icing? Yes, the unknown of how many is those with the icing, and that's what we're trying to find out. I'm going to use this plan here because I know my smaller quantity, I know my difference, and if I add them together, I will get my unknown, which is my larger quantity. So the smaller quantity of 4, add the difference of 2 will give me my unknown, which is my larger quantity of icing. 4 add 2 equals 6. First, I'm going to check the maths. That 6 is a bit over halfway. There should be 4 left. I can see 3 and 3, so I know that's 6. Yes, my maths is right. There were 6 without icing. The last thing I need to check is that I've answered the question. How many cupcakes had icing? And I had got 6 that had icing.